Hey everybody, Lewis, Rshackbbq and other things. Today I'm going to be grilling up some breakfast and showing a new product. It's not the big smoker. You've already seen that. So let's get into this video.
Regulators! Mount up!
Can't see the mountains today. It snowed last night. It's probably about 35 degrees out here today. Good day to be out doing breakfast. So here is the 22-inch portable Blackstone, adventure ready. Cook anything, anytime, anywhere. 2-burner on a portable table with a lid. We'll open it up, got the booklet in there. You can see I'm going to start seasoning the 22-inch steel griddle top. You've got your 2 burners. They're both ignite separately. Here you have your gas inline. What's neat about this is you can either hook it up to a 20-pound tank, or you can unscrew this. And now you can put one of those little 1-pound bottles on it, which I'll be doing today. Came with this neat little shelf, totally removable. So set that up there for now. The only thing I needed a screwdriver for was mounting the nice aluminum handle on here. That's the only thing that I had to assemble. The legs, they unscrew and you can stuff them inside for carrying. Come around the back, let's go with the lid. Got a little drip bucket here, just slips in on it. And yeah, so these here, you pull it out to release the legs, to fold them up, and the extensions, like I said, come off. But that is the 22-inch Blackstone cooker. And what we're going to do, we're going to move it into the shack there, and we'll get it seasoned up and cook something on it today. I really like it. I like the details right down underneath there. Look at that, that's cool. So another nice thing about this griddle is it doesn't need this tabletop. You got a table that you want to set this on, trying to figure out a good way to grab it, you can just grab it like this and it's got its own feet. And you can set it on a table and use it on there. You don't really need the stand. Both lid under there. We'll let it warm up a little bit. So there's our breakfast. A little bit of fried potatoes with onions and green peppers, a couple of eggs, bacon. Got some English muffins, all done on the 22-inch tabletop griddle with stand-in hood. Did awesome. Let's get in and try this. All right, let's try this breakfast. Got my cup of coffee. Let's try some of that bacon. Yum. No, that's good. How about this fried potatoes with the onions and the peppers, seasoned by Daddy Dutch barbecue sweet heat seasoning. Oh yeah. Those 2 fried eggs. So I picked up that little round thing. It's made for griddle tops, so I thought I'd give it a try. Worked pretty good, actually. Those eggs. Yeah. For the eggs, I had it turned. Excuse me, that sweet heat. Woo. All right. For those eggs, I had that burner turned down to low. You don't want to overheat eggs when you're doing them. Boy, that sweet heat's got a little kick to it, but it is sweet. So, and we have our English muffins. Now I buttered these before I put them on the flat top. Oh yeah. It's gonna be an awesome breakfast. Anyhow, so this 22-inch is like the perfect size for on the go, and using either the 1-pound bottles or the 22-inch, that's perfect. Collapsible, you know, like I always said, I wasn't really going to get into the flat top cooking because I was like, I'm more of a barbecue guy. But when I got that 36-inch Blackstone, started using it and went, wow, this is amazing. This is so nice. I started thinking, what else could I get out there? They have a 17-inch model that's under $100 at Walmart. I don't know, that just seemed a little too small. And I saw this was a customer return that I bought from a outside dealer, and I only paid $100 for it, brand new in the box. I think they're probably closer to $200 at Walmart, but it's an awesome thing. I love the fact that the lid will close on it, and it's a perfect size, not too heavy, really nice. So anyhow, I hope you enjoyed my quick little video of the 22-inch Blackstone Adventure Anywhere griddle top, and the little breakfast I did here. I gotta go finish eating. So, but like I always say, thank you for watching. You can do this too. Grill on or griddle on, my friends. Until next time.